Hi, it's Al Macho. Today we'll be making a simple and easy mug cake. Let's start. You will need a mug, some measuring spoons, vanilla, vegetable oil, milk, chocolate chips, baking powder, cocoa powder, salt, sugar, and flour. Since we make this in the microwave, there's no need to preheat the oven. So the first step is to get 3 tablespoons of flour. So this right here is 1.5 tablespoons, so we will get 2 of these. Bring the flour in. Be handy to get the mug here too. This is why mugs have handles. Well, that is quite a bit extra, so let's be resourceful here. Let's say that's 1.5 tablespoons. And I'll just get 1 more. Again, using our resources. Now this mug is quite big. You don't need one as big as this, but we're just playing it safe here. Next we get 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here's our tablespoon measurement. And here's our sugar. This is heavier than I thought actually. Okay. I think I'll just have to sprinkle again here. It's actually easier than I thought. Here's 1. And now we'll get another. And that's pretty good. And now we get 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So, same tablespoon measurement from before. Okay, I forgot to open the lid, hang on. Simple. Now, get 2 tablespoons. Should have gotten the knife, but again, just using our resources here. Okay, a bit of overspill, but that's fine. That's why we have a cloth. Quite good. Now the stuff is surprisingly bitter, so don't eat it by itself. I speak from experience with that. And here's our last inserting of cocoa powder. And now we get a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So here's our baking powder. Simply opened. And here is our 1/4 teaspoon. I really just need to get a knife for this. Fork works too. And there you go. Next we need a bit of salt. So get your salt. I think that's good amount. And now we mix. Got our fork from earlier. And combine our ingredients. Try not to make it scratch too much on the mug. I know how horrible that sounds. And now we get 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So here's the teaspoon. There's a 1/4. And here's 1/2. Yep, this is the 1/2. And this is the vanilla. Okay, that's not quite enough. Okay, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this here. I think that's actually quite a good amount. And now we get 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So this is pre-measured, but 2 tablespoons right here. So just pour it straight in. And now we mix. Get our spoon this time, this won't make as much noise, it's got the rubber tip. Mix this around for a little bit. Just get both the wet and the dry together. And now we microwave it for a minute. Get our mug here, full of stuff. Put it in the microwave. Nice sloth, I know. It's a Christmas mug, but it still works. And 1 minute. And now we wait. And now let's take it out. Get our mug. This actually smells quite nice. And we'll just put it down, clear up some space here, just put it there. Looks quite good. This step is optional, but we're gonna add some chocolate sauce. That's just gonna kind of be like a icing kind of thing on this cake. Let's get a nice drizzle. I think that's good. And now let's eat. Grab our fork. Get a little bit of everything here. Just hope it's not too hot. Oh, it's good temperature. Okay, it's gonna be quite the mess. But really enjoyable, actually. This is really good. See the chocolate's melting? Nice, okay, that's a bit much. Somehow this isn't on the edges. Really good. Get some more chips. I'm trying to learn where my mouth is at this point, but I'm not sure I have entirely. Yeah, I can tell there's definitely a mess. Yeah. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, I'll see you next time.